Hello everyone. Doing a quick introduction here for SANS Slingshot C2 Matrix Edition. Going to show you how to download that. We start here at the c2matrix.com. You can see on the top we have a number of different icons and links. The matrix can be found by clicking on the matrix. Here you will see the golden source, which is our Google Sheet that we update quite often. We have the documentation, which takes you to a how-to page. This is a Git book that has information about the C2 matrix, including the lab environment that was used and how to use each of these different command and control frameworks. You click on Slingshot C2 Matrix Edition right here. You can read a little bit more about the C2 matrix. To download it, you go to the Getting Started, download the VMware OVA file here. This will ask you to log into your SANS portal. SANS portal is free. We're logging in there. And then you download down here the Slingshot C2 Matrix Edition. You click on that, it will download. I have downloaded that to my desktop, and then you double click it. It will ask you to import it. You click import. Importing will take a little bit, and you will get to a page like this. Then you log in with Slingshot. One of the first things you're going to want to do is change your password. You do that by double clicking on the main terminal and typing password D. Enter. You put Slingshot as the old password and then create your new password here. From there, you can go back to the C2 matrix page and follow along to see how to use various different things. We cover how to start vector down here on that same page, and then if you want to run any of them, you go to app file, for instance, and just go straight to run and follow along. You have that for Covenant, for Empire, for Faction, for Coatic, for Merlin, Metasploit, Silent Trinity, and Sliver. We hope you enjoy this release, and you can give us feedback on the C2 matrix page right here where it says feedback. We hope you enjoy this free resource for the community.